Have you ever wondered if you can grow on YouTube just by copy-pasting? To find out, I took on a 7-day challenge. If you really want to grow your YouTube channel, you have to follow these 4 steps. Step 1. First, you need to find a niche where the competition is low but the RPM is high. I've already selected such a niche, and you'll see it at the beginning of this video. Step 2. Next, you need a smart channel name. I've already picked a unique name quite easily. Step 3. Creating and setting up the channel. I did this part super easily. Step 4. Downloading videos and uploading them to YouTube. My plan was, I'd download videos from any source and directly upload them to YouTube. Sounds super easy, right? But trust me, something happened that you would never expect. Day 1, I downloaded the first video, added professional title, thumbnail and hashtags, and uploaded it to YouTube. Now just waiting. Let's see how many views after 24 hours. Day 2, 24 hours passed, and it only got 4 views. Still, I didn't give up. I prepared the second video even better. Just like that, one by one I uploaded 6 videos in total. But then my exam started, and because of that I couldn't finish this challenge. Final result, I didn't get many views. The reason for not getting views is simple. Copy-paste videos never go viral. Even if you copy a video, unless you add your own value, it just won't work. Many people say you can go viral or get monetized without adding any value to the video, but the reality is, 90% of the time that's a lie. Plus, according to YouTube's new policy, such videos won't get monetized. Hope you liked this video. Creating these kinds of challenge videos takes a lot of effort, so don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, suggestions, or doubts, let me know in the comments. There will be regular informative videos on this channel, so if you don't want to miss out, make sure to subscribe now. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.